Fix Roblox encountered an unexpected error memory dump problem. To do this, go to the search section and open Exploit Protection. Click on Program Settings and then on Add Program to customize. Select Choose Exact File Path and continue. The next thing we need to do is find the file location of Roblox. If you did not install the game in a different location when downloading it, you can find the file location of Roblox as I showed in the video. After clicking on Versions, there may be multiple version folders here. We select the new one and continue. Select Roblox Player Beta and click on Open. The next thing we need to do is toggle off the Control Flow Guard and Hardware Enforced Stack Protection settings. Click on Apply to save the changes and restart our computer. After restarting the computer, you can check whether the Roblox encountered an unexpected error. Memory dump problem is solved or not. If the problem continues as an alternative solution, you can try the solution shared on Reddit's own forum. Since it has worked for many people, it is a solution worth trying. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.